Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Capricorn, we are picking these cards, guys. These are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, Capricorn. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energies. So that reading may answer your doubts or may give you clarity in your circumstances, guys. So you can stay tuned for that, Capricorn. So let's start with these cards for your general energies, guys. So we have Five of Pentacles, Lovers, and Nine of Pentacles in reverse. So Capricorn, in your circumstances, guys, in your work situation maybe, or in your relationship. In your work situation maybe, guys, you are quite confident about certain choices you need to make in your career situation, guys, but maybe the people around you, your colleagues or your circumstances itself are quite confusing. It is giving you doubts. Maybe people who work with you, they are suggesting you to wait or think, take time and think and then make a choice. So for some of you, there may be some confusion you may see, and you don't know how things will work out, guys. Maybe in your future, whatever you expect, whether you will get the expected results or not. So some kind of lack of clarity in your circumstances maybe, guys, for some of you. And there may be some obstacles you may be seeing in your work, guys. Maybe something may not work out as planned within the timeline, or there may be some delays in your work situation. So though you are having some opportunities, there are also a lot of difficulties you need to overcome if you want to move towards that path, a new beginning you are seeing in your career situation. And even in your relationship, guys, with this person you love, Capricorn, you love them a lot. You both may have a level of understanding, but there are a lot of problems you have in this relationship. There may be a lot of adjustments you need to do, and maybe they just want you to adjust, want you to be more more friendly and an understanding person. So they expect you to wait for them, be patient and wait to solve, make your situation better. So though you have love, there are things happening in this relationship. Maybe you may have some sickness or they may have some sickness, and you are taking care of this person. Or for some of you, you may not have that complete faith on this person. You do not have that understanding. That may be the reason for some troubles in this relationship, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. So it is Six of Pentacles. It just means, guys, if you want this love to work out, you need to depend on each other, rely on each other. You should be the rock this person relies on, and the same way they must be the rock for you to rely on. So both of you must have that equal love, trust, respect and caring nature for each other. Only then this relationship is going to work out, guys, Capricorn. So for your career situation, guys, we have 7 of Wands. So you are struggling, making a lot of efforts, trying really hard. That may be the reason you are in a good advantageous position, guys, today. So things will work out for you. Very positive energy here with this card. So though you are seeing some troubles today, your position is going to improve and things will begin to fall into place, Capricorn. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Capricorn. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds. If you like this reading, if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. So for those who chose this card, it says juniper tree, deception. So in your circumstances, guys, it may be in your relationship for some of you, or it may be in your life, maybe in your general circumstances. You are carrying some burden on your shoulder and it is not your problem, it is not your responsibility, and this responsibility lies with another person, but you are thinking that it is your fault and it is your duty to do certain things. But you must let go of that, guys. Let go of that responsibility for that situation. And you should not think and feel sad about something happening around you, or it may be this circumstance, and you are thinking that it is all your mistake and your fault. But you need to understand that you are a person with a beautiful heart, a helping, kind nature. That may be the reason you feel this way. And you feel that, or you must have lost someone really close to you. And this separation is the reason for sadness. And maybe you feel that it is your fault that this person has left you, and the separation is your fault, your mistake, and you are the one responsible for that. But you should not lose hope, guys. Maybe there is a third party involved, that may be the reason for this separation. So you need to do the right thing, and the person who has left you will return to you. So you should not be impulsive today, and whatever kindness and compassion you have in your heart, or whatever you have shown to others, will come back to you multifold, and you are getting a second chance today, guys, at this love. Maybe you should not lose hope. That is what I mean with this card, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card, it says happiness. So with this card, guys, it just means that in our day-to-day life we are often see so much stress in our life. We are worried all the time, and we forget that happiness comes from within us. So, with this card, we are just asked to see the simple things that bring happiness to our life, live each moment, and fully experience the present moment. So, simple things, just seeing a butterfly fluttering around or just a dog wagging its tail, whatever it is, all that is going to bring us happiness. So, even at times when we are sad and stressed, the small things that bring us happiness, when we see that, when we are aware of that, we feel uplifted and we'll begin to see happiness in all the areas of our life, guys. And the same way, when we put a smile on someone's face with a simple act of kindness, when we just smile, or a simple smile maybe to a stranger, it will bring a moment of joy to them, guys, and it will bring a great difference in their life. It will simply inspire them to be more happy and confident. So that is what this card is about, guys. So we need to be happy today. Maybe we see a lot of stress and sadness in our circumstances, but no matter what our circumstances are, guys, when we are happy, happiness attracts more happiness. So we'll be more happy and successful in our life if we feel that joy and bliss through the simple things that we see around us. Maybe simple things in nature or in our surroundings. So that is the reading with this card for those who chose this card. So thank you guys for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.